Say goodbye to blemishes and hello to glowing, radiant, flawless skin.
Hi guys, please excuse the no makeup look. Just woke up and I want to show you my blemish serum in action here. See this giant blemish out of my nose? I just took like 3 drops of my blemish serum. And I'm just going to put that on and then I'm going to show you guys later if it clears it up. That's it. And I just dropped my son off at school. I did the gym and see what happens.
I created this product for acne, acne scarring, dry, oily combination skin, blackheads, occasional breakouts, rosacea, red skin, and anybody who wants balanced glowing.
Okay guys, it is, I left at 8:30 this morning. It is now 10:20 a.m. and look, are you kidding me? Look at that. This stuff is amazing. It's like almost completely gone in just a few hours. Imagine what it could do overnight.
Here are some before and afters. This one's 24-hour result. The next one coming up is going to be after using the serum for 1 month daily. And here is my before and after of just a few hours. Purchase the blemish serum at sh.cosmetics.com under skincare. Hope you enjoyed this video.